Hi everyone, my name is Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the Nest thermostat from the wall. You're going to want to begin by turning off the main power so you don't blow any fuses or accidentally get injured. You can go ahead and pull the Nest thermostat directly off the wall. Before removing any of the wires, pro tip, take a pic so you know exactly where the wires go for when you're ready to reinstall. You can use the screwdriver that Nest provides or a standard Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew the top and bottom screws on the plate. To remove the wires, you're going to press down on the gray part and pull out. Once all of the wires are removed, you can take off the plate and store it somewhere safe. Now you can go ahead and remove the wall back plate. And voila, that's it. That is how you safely remove a Nest thermostat. If you want to see how to install a digital thermostat, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share if you got value from this video. Bye for now.